So I got it in neutral on jack stands. Got some map gas, nice flathead screwdriver, demolition style, and heavy framing hammer. Heat this thing up, spin the wheels as you heat it, rotisserie chicken style, and then you should just be able to tap this thing out. I've already been spraying this with a bunch of WD-40. I saw online that people say that if it's sizzling, you know, it should be ready to come out. So I guess we'll fucking see. Yeah, I've already been coating this, so I think I'm gonna heat her up now. Let's see if I can get you guys a good view. That's how it's done right there, boys. So yeah, this thing goes on this drive shaft, the end of this, and if you can't get it out the first try, you get all these fucking ball bearings on the floor. So now I'm gonna have to go re-put this thing together, and I should just be able to put it back in. Yep. But I thought I should show you because nobody really talks about it. There's a little C-clip right here that you gotta take off, and you need a pliers like this. And then I'm not gonna show taking this off because it'll probably be a struggle bus. But yeah, you take this off, and then this part goes together in the carrier, and then you put the spline in when you put it back together. Yep. All right, got the spring out. Wear glasses. This thing will go flying, and don't lose it. And this thing actually just comes out real easy. So it looks like everything will go back together. Then you put this thing back on, and then you put the clip back on, and then everything will bolt together before you put it back into the transmission. I don't have a gasket, so I'm just gonna use gasket maker here. Let it sit for the recommended time. Obviously clean out all this old grease and pack new grease as well, so yep. All right, so lots of messing around online about how to do this. I'm gonna try just shimming it up like this. If you look at this bolt pattern, it looks like they kind of line up like that when they're at the top. So let's see what happens. Close. I'm gonna try without the camera. Yeah, so that shit works. You just have to push up on the bearing as you push down on the housing, and then this shit is in there, dude. So yeah, no fucking arounds. Just shim that shit up till those balls are nearly falling out, and then you can get this thing in there the way it needs to go. This method is so easy, I want to do it a second time. Just kidding. I put this part on backwards, so make sure you remember that this side is going up into this cup like this. The other side has a little flange. You'll know what I'm talking about. You know, fuck it. There's a little flange right there that goes down towards the drive shaft. So yeah, don't make the same mistake I did and just double check that shit. Looks fucking mint. Yeah.